welcome back to my shop. Today we've got something that I built. This is a little DC AC power supply that has three separate power supplies in it. This one up here is for the variable 0 to 45 volt 3 amp power supply. It's one of those little Drock things, and they're very useful. As you can see, this one is set up right now for 10 volts, and I can turn it on and it'll give me 10 volts. You also set the current limit, which I've got right now set for 1 amp, and it'll tell you what your watts are. They're very useful, very easy, and it's running off of one of those little Meanwell $30 45 volt power supplies that you can buy off of Amazon or eBay. Really a great deal. And you can see there's your outputs and your on-off switch right there. The other thing is I've got 5 independent voltages off of an old computer power supply. They go on here. I've got plus 12 at 9 amps, minus 12 at half an amp, 5 volts at 27 amps, minus 5 volts at 1 amp, and 3.3 volts at 14 amps. Plus, the other thing this has got built into it off of a isolation transformer is an AC output that will hopefully keep me from getting fried when I work on some of these old antique radios. Here, let's hook up something for it, and I'll show you how this works. Pretty easy. Plug it in. This is just a little lamp that I use for testing. Not much good as a lamp, but for testing it works nice. And turn on the power. Oh, there we go. Power. As you can see, we've got about 110, 112 volts and a little bit of current. Not much, but this thing don't draw that much. And I can hook it up to a variac on the input and vary the voltage up and watch the current and see what happens on old equipment. So hopefully I don't cook myself or cook the equipment. The thing is made out of an old case that I found laying around, and it was in pretty sad shape. I painted it. I'm not the world's greatest spray painter, I'll tell you that. Don't look at that. We won't look at that. It does have a couple holes in it up on the top. We will call those ventilation. Actually, this had our AM radio and a two-way radio built into this box at one time, but neither one of them's used anymore. So they came out, this one in, and on the back you've got 2 inputs. This one is for the isolation transformer. Like I said, that could be plugged right into a variac, like that variac. And this one is for the DC voltages, both of them. And the power supply has a fan, which will keep the thing nice and cool. But there it is. Oh, and it also has it has feet, so it'll set up. It has a bail, which I don't have attached right at the moment, so it'll kind of set up an angle like this, but I don't really know if I'm going to need that. Anyhow, there you have it. I took a while on doing this, and I'm glad I did, because it's going to be around for a while, and I've really needed one, something like this, for a while. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see when I put up more of my videos. Thanks for watching.